Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can enable autoplay on Facebook. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write your comments. So let us get started with you. Please open up the Facebook app on your phone. Next, go to the menu section at the bottom. After that, in the top corner, click on the gear to go to Settings. Next, in the Settings, scroll down a little bit and find the Media option. Click on it. And here you will be able to see this section called Autoplay. And if you have it disabled, then you turn it on right here on the mobile data or Wi-Fi option, so that the autoplay videos will be played on Facebook through your mobile data or Wi-Fi. If you don't want to waste your mobile data, then I recommend you leave it on Wi-Fi only, so the videos will be downloaded only via Wi-Fi, thus saving your mobile data on your phone. That's how easy it is to enable autoplay on Facebook. I really hope you found this video helpful, that it was useful to you. Please friends, put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.